Do you know many people are having trouble with finding and replacing the switch to their LiftMaster 050ACTWFMC garage door motor? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Disconnect power. Disconnect power to the garage door opener. Safety first. Step 2. Remove light lens. Pull and rotate the light lens to remove it from the end panel. Step 3. Unplug wires. Unplug and disconnect wires from quick connect terminals and the receiver logic board. Step 4. Remove logic board. Remove the logic board from the end panel by unscrewing the 2 screws. Step 5. Install a new board. Install the new receiver logic board and reconnect the wires and harnesses. Step 6. Reconnect power. Realign the light lens, snap it in place, and reconnect power. That's it! You have successfully replaced the switch for your LiftMaster 050ACTWFMC garage door motor. Your garage door should be working smoothly now. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LiftMaster users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.